As I said, it's a long verdict for a long-drawn dispute. The judges have some very important and interesting observations. First, there is no question over the fact that the demolition of the Babri Masjid was a crime. The judgment says it in so many words, and let me quote from it. The damage to the mosque in 1934, its desecration in 1949, leading to the ouster of the Muslims, and the eventual destruction on 6 December 1992 constituted a serious violation of the rule of law. The verdict extensively quotes from a report by the Archaeological Survey of India, the ASI. The ASI conducted 2 excavations at this site. The first one was in 1976 and 77. The second one was in the year 2003. The ASI found ruins of an old structure, which is said to be the Ram Temple. And the ASI said that Babur built a mosque on these ruins. Today's verdict also triggered speculation. Will this order be used to legally challenge other mosques around India? And the court has set the record straight on that. The judgment makes a very specific reference to other places of worship, and let me quote from that. Historical wrongs cannot be remedied by taking the law into your hands. The Places of Worship Act 1991 secures all religious places as existed in 1947. The Parliament has a mandate to see wrongs of the past do not oppress the future. Independence was a watershed moment to heal the wounds of the past. This is what the verdict says. And let me explain some of this. The Places of Worship Act was passed in India in the year 1991. This is a law that protects the character of all religious structures around this country. The only exception was the Ayodhya case, because this was a dispute that began before India's independence, so it doesn't come under this law. Today's verdict makes many references to India's secular fabric. The judges, in fact, even quoted from Wordsworth to drive home that point. The judgment also refers to Mirza Jan's hadith. Hadith-e-Seba was written by Mirza Jan in the year 1856. The book candidly accepts that at the Janmasthan of Lord Ram, a mosque was constructed by Babur. The verdict quotes this. On the day of the Kartarpur corridor, the opening of the Kartarpur corridor, the judgment in the Ayodhya case also carries a mention of Guru Nanak. His visit, Guru Nanak's visit to Ayodhya, has been cited as an important piece of evidence in today's verdict. Let me quote again. The visit of Guru Nanak Dev Ji in 1510-11 AD and to have a darshan of the Janmbhumi of Lord Ram do support the faith and beliefs of the Hindus. So this is a very expansive verdict that draws from all sides.